I'm here at a site that I've been to before, and over the last year this whole area has clearly been ravaged by fire. We get these very intense forest fires in BC. There's been so much logging and the soils get very dry. This particular area used to be covered with moss. It was quite beautiful, and now we have this. What's really peculiar is, from a meditative standpoint, and I don't 100% know why, I had this morning when I got here one of the strongest practice sessions I've had in a really long time on the meditative front. And it could be that there's this sort of void and there's all of this life force rushing in to fill the void, that the potential that could have something to do with that. I'm not 100% sure. There's a spider hanging from me. I'm not 100% sure, but it just goes to show you, when it comes to power of place, it's hard to determine rhyme or reason sometimes. So following with this theme of the fires and death and rebirth and what lies beneath when there's flames, they incinerate what's there. And so sometimes what you can see after the flames have come, you couldn't see before. So all of these rocks, most of this was covered with moss. You had no idea, but now you can see. So to follow that theme, I think I'll go pretty deep with Pluto meditations to see that which is unseen, go beneath into the underworlds, as they say. So that'll be fun. And yeah, that's about it. It's kind of sad to see all of this destruction. There is a little bit of greenery. You can see my van home there. Some of the new growth on the floors about. There's a little bit of the deciduous trees. I don't know if you can see in the background there along the river where the tops seem to have been, those seem to be alive at this point. But kind of sad to see all this destruction, despite a very weirdly good meditation. Oh, lost a shoe. All right, gonna let you go. It blends in with the char of the earth. All right, thanks for your time. Bye.